If you're running a cleaning company and are struggling to get quality commercial leads to grow your commercial division of your company, you're probably debating between Google Ads or cold email to grow your business. In this video, I'll be breaking down both approaches and which channel is probably most effective for your business to grow in 2025. By the end of this, you'll most likely have a clear idea of which path you should take. So to keep it simple, which one should you choose? Google Ads or cold email? You're gonna be using cold email if you want to have more control, faster results, not having to dig deeper into your marketing budget. You don't want to compete in competitive and expensive ad auctions against all the competitors in your market. It's perfect if you're ready to be proactive, on the ball for anyone that responds, and you're going to be willing to invest time into relationships before you actually have those walkthroughs, but you're going to be very serious about getting quality clients that you want to work with and clean. On the flip side, stick with Google Ads only if you've already mastered cold outreach, cold email, maybe even some cold calls, and have extra budget to test a second channel. Most cleaning companies should start with cold outreach. It's simpler, it's more predictable, and it's typically more reliable without spending as much to get those quality commercial leads. Next, let's talk about cold email. Cold outreach or cold email is different. Instead of waiting for people to search and find the ad and actually click on your ad, instead of just waiting for the paid ads to capture traffic, you're going to be reaching out direct to the businesses you actually want to work with and clean. Think office buildings, medical offices, schools, law firms, you name it. Places that need regular cleaning in your service area. You send personalized messages with or without AI to decision makers and the general location specific emails in your service area. You're going to be building relationships, making sure that it actually makes sense to even attend that walkthrough if it's a quality lead or not for you. Then you're also gonna be booking those walkthroughs and then bidding those contracts. It's more direct, it costs way less. After all said and done, it's usually gonna be between $50 to $250 per real commercial lead. And you can control exactly who you're contacting and targeting. So these are the leads that you actually wanna work with. Here's the thing, commercial cleaning is all about long-term recurring contracts, not one-time gigs and not once every 3-month cleaning services. You want something that's going to be consistent, reliable, and that can pay your team, but also yourself, so you can grow your business and make a lot more money altogether. Most cleaning companies are waiting for their current customers or past customers to send them referrals. They're taking all their time out of their day doing door knocking. They're making cold calls. They're hiring out. They're outsourcing cold calls, or they're throwing money at the wall, paying for ads, potentially not paying enough for ads to actually make a positive outcome from it. You're not really having a real strategy. That keeps you stuck with unpredictable income, and you're pretty much in a feast or famine situation for months on end. So here's the bottom line. Google Ads costs a lot more. You're competing with everybody else, especially the larger franchise that have a lot of marketing spend, and you're renting traffic from Google. On the other side, cold outreach, cold email costs a lot less. You pick exactly who to target, you build the system once, and then you're over time spending less as you continuously let the system run through as it works in the background for you. And you're building and owning that list of prospects that you're pulling from both LinkedIn and Google Maps. With Google Ads, you're typically playing defense. With cold outreach and cold email, you're playing offense. You're brute forcing the market to be able to see who is interested at the current time. And then if they're not interested, you're gonna be reaching out to them every 2 months. For the people that didn't respond or said we are under contract or we're just not interested right now, you're gonna be recycling them every 2 months. So maybe month 1, they're not interested, but month 8, they could be interested because they're tired of their cleaners. They want a new contract with a different cleaning provider. All right. You've made it this far, I'm gonna pitch you real quick. If you are interested in setting up a cold email outreach system in your business, there's a link in the description below. Click on it. We'll talk about how many quality commercial leads we can get you by setting up a cold email system. We'll handle everything for you and work alongside you to be able to send you over hot, quote ready, quality commercial leads each and every day. So if you are interested, I'm looking forward to chatting with you. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Hit like or subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. See ya.